As usual, we start the speed test with both the phones in airplane mode connected to the same Wi-Fi network and no apps running in the background. While the Redmi 5 Plus supports 5 GHz networks, we have connected both the phones to the same 2.4 GHz network for consistency. This is Sandeep from Rev Atlas, and this is the speed test comparison between the Redmi 5 Plus and the Redmi 5. The Redmi 5 Plus is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 625 chipset and is available in either 3 or 4GB RAM variants. We have the latter, and that could give it a slight advantage over the Redmi 5, which comes with 3 GB of RAM in the higher end variant that we have. It does however get an updated octa-core Snapdragon 450 chipset instead of the 435 that was there in the Redmi 4. Both the phones are on Android Nougat 7.1.2 with MIUI 9 on top of it. Despite the improved processor, the Redmi 5 Plus still takes the lead in the first lap and completes lap 1 with a total time of 2 minutes and 32 seconds, while the Redmi 5 comes in second with a time of 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Not too shabby, but the difference is still tangible. Feel free to skip to the 5-minute mark in case you don't want to watch the entire thing. The Redmi 5 Plus is the first to cross the finish line and complete lap 2 with a total time of 5 minutes and 3 seconds. The Redmi 5 is just starting the speed test and completes lap 2 with a total time of 5 minutes and 31 seconds. There were 1 or 2 mishits when opening or minimizing apps and games on the phones, but the difference would be 2 or 3 seconds, give or take, on both, and the Redmi 5 Plus would still maintain the winning position. We expected the Redmi 5 Plus to do well in lap 2 due to the extra gig of RAM, but both the phones had to reload all the games since none of them were able to keep them in memory. Hope Xiaomi improves the RAM management in future updates. While these tests show the true power of the phones, in day-to-day lives the phones won't be tested as much and may not be that much different in terms of speed. You can find the purchase links for both the smartphones from the link in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one.